Welcome to Sunnyside, folks. I'm Lotso. Now, in honor of your arrival, we're throwing a new Toys Welcome Carnival. My friends here have some games for y'all to play. Twitch has got a competition your horse would be perfect for. Sparks has a teeny racer challenge, and Chunk is hosting the alley toss. Remember to try all the games, but most importantly, smile and have fun. Oh, I almost forgot. I've made a scavenger hunt and hidden goodies all over for you to find, so make sure you look everywhere. Now get on out there and have fun.
Ready when you are, partner.
Step on up. Ride the horse and see if you got what it takes to be the fastest. Step on up, see if you can pop all the balloons and win a special prize.
You ready? Yeah! All right, Bullseye! Yeah! 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 Come on, Bullseye, we've got this one. Yeah! Yeah! Okay. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Not bad, partner.
Yes, we rode like the wind.
If this isn't the greatest place ever, well, I don't know what is.
So, have you got what it takes to master the Teeny Racer Challenge? Here's a download. Follow the driving course from the Teeny Racer and smash through the blocks. It's that simple. Oh, and keep an eye on the timer. Yeah, the space guy's the only one worthy of the butterfly rule.
This sounds pretty dangerous.
Has Lotso talked about what for?
Why are you holding back?
Wobbly wagon train.
Whoa! You really know how to handle a racer, huh?
Ha ha! Well, bust my boot leather. That was no problem at all.
So, have you got what it takes to master the Teeny Racer Challenge? Here's a download. Follow the driving course from the teeny racer and smash through the blocks. It's that simple. Oh, and keep an eye on the timer.
What time do the kids show up? You've got to try these games.
Stop the aliens! Don't let them cross that line. Hold the aliens back. If too many cross that line, you're done for.
I'm ready when you are. Where are all these aliens coming from? Where are all these aliens coming from? Oh, no, you don't. Where are all these aliens coming from?
Whoa! You did good.
I don't know how, but I did it.
I just know
Daycare
we can be
facility
friends.
suits us well.